And I found these cute little camo shorts. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a little sliver of our summer. This was actually 4th of July. We have a little bird living up in our porch and my kids have been loving watching those little baby birds. But this summer we've been doing lots of outdoor exploring, lots of cooking, lots of baking. We've been going to different water parks and different amusement parks and we're loving every bit of it. We are trying to really enjoy the natural state. We live in Arkansas and there's so much to do. There's so many beautiful state parks, so many waterfalls, so many hiking trails. So we've really been soaking that up with the kids and they have loved every minute of it, and so have we. But this was like 4th of July weekend. We went to Magic Springs for my birthday on July 2nd, and then on the 4th of July we kept it very chill at home because it was raining outside. We made some pulled pork in the crock pot, put some Kinder's barbecue sauce. By the way, that is amazing. I had never tried it before this, but I absolutely love Kinder's barbecue sauce. We just popped those in the oven, made it super simple, had a super simple little pasta salad from Walmart that we just popped out of the box. Some corn on the cob. Oh my goodness, corn on the cob is my favorite summer dinner little side. I love corn on the cob, especially from Dumas, Arkansas. Dumas, Arkansas produces the best corn on the cob, but we've been enjoying our summer so much and I just wanted to share a little bit of it with you. As I mentioned in my last video, we took down Oliver's old gray and white gingham curtains because they were not blackout, and every single morning the sun would come rushing in his room and he would wake up super early, especially now in the summertime because the sun comes out at like 5 a.m. So we got him some blackout curtains from 2 Pages. Very excited about these because they are super high quality. The fabric is incredible and they are 100% blackout curtains. So let's go ahead and install these. I believe these are called the Lila curtains on the 2 Pages website, but I'll put the actual name on the screen here if I'm wrong. They come with these little pin hooks and you just push them down into the little inserts on the curtain, and then they just hook directly onto the loops or the rings that I already have up there, which is fantastic. This should be a really simple process. These 2 Pages curtains were so incredibly easy to set up in Oliver's room. All I did was place those pin hooks in every 4th insert and attach them to our already existing curtain rod. These elevated Oliver's room so much. We love them. If you remember his old curtains, they were gray and white gingham. It really wasn't the vibe in here, and now that we have elevated this wall, I'm so excited to get started decorating the other wall above his toy storage. 2 Pages has so many amazing curtains to choose from. I cannot wait to pick some out for Will and I's bedroom. Showing you some of their best sellers here. The pleated curtains from floor to ceiling are stunning, and the linen Roman shade is fabulous. If I had a little kitchen window above my sink, oh my goodness, so cute. So many amazing options. These are tailored specific to your space, and they even have a design consult service. The quality is unmatched, the materials are top notch, and I was so impressed with these blackout curtains because they truly blacked out the room. So he's sleeping so much better in there now. He's also in his glow era, so he was so excited about these. He thinks they're the best thing ever. 2 Pages is top rated for a reason. They have amazing reviews to prove their reputation. They gave me a code for y'all. You get 22% off with code AFINFLUENCER. Super easy ordering, installation, and they truly enhanced Oliver's room so much. Thank you so much to 2 Pages for working with me on today's video. Oliver's room stays perfectly dark now, and he is resting so well. So this has been a very untraditional 4th of July. We would typically go to my parents' house and do fireworks and swim and the whole nine, but it rained all day here. It was thunderstorming, windy. I mean, it was kind of crazy. So we just stayed home. We had a really yummy little cookout for lunch. The rain held off long enough for Will to get some hot dogs on the grill. So we did that. And then for dinner, I put a pulled pork in the, or like a pork butt in the crock pot. So we're gonna do pulled pork sandwiches for dinner with corn on the cob and all of the fixings. So we're excited about that. But we were planning to go to like a parade or a farmer's market this morning. And so I got my kids' cute outfits and we were gonna take pictures, and we didn't get to do that. So I wanna get my kids in their cute outfits, and we're gonna go outside in the backyard and just take a quick little 4th of July family picture before we eat dinner. So let's get them dressed. I wanted to share this real quick. I think I shared this on Instagram already, but I got this cute little dress for Annie Kate on Amazon. It's got a little American flag, little athletic dress, and I'm gonna put her in her little white Keds. And then I also found out that Hobby Lobby sells these big like pigtail bows for like $1.49, $1.29. And so I got 2 of those to do her little red pigtails. And then for Oliver, I found a new little store online that I love for Oliver. It's called Cardin McCoy. And I found these cute little camo shorts And then also this little shirt, it says stars, stripes, and vibes, and it's got little dogs in a cooler. I thought that was so cute, so I'm very excited to get them dressed. If you've been here for any amount of time at all, you know that I'm in this stage of motherhood where I'm taking anything and everything that makes my life a little bit easier since we are so busy with 2 toddlers. And nails. I love having my nails done. I love getting my toes done, but it takes hours and I just don't have the time for that right now. So my sister put me on to glue-on nails from Walmart. So I went to Walmart and I found the perfect brand. They're the perfect shape. You barely have to file them, and they come with tons of extras. So if one pops off, you just glue it back on. And I also found the perfect paint-on glue. So it's like a nail polish and it just paints right on. Love those. One of my favorite things right now is doing Annie Kate's hair. Her hair is finally long enough to do pigtails and braids and little bubble braids. We've been having so much fun in buying all the fresh new bows. Her little pigtails are adorable. If I get a little hairspray and like cut my hand under her ponytail, it makes the perfect little Brady Bunch ponytail, and I love it. She was not having it today, but normally she loves like looking in the mirror and getting her hair done. But we're gonna go ahead and take a family picture and then get on with this.
Yeah. Hey, come back. We're gonna
Go stand next to Daddy.
come here, baby.
Oh, well, Ollie.
That's what I call a real firework.
We're here. I hope y'all had a great 4th of July. We ended up having a great evening. The rain let up finally, and we went out in the backyard, did fireworks, the whole 9. We had a blast, and this is actually Rewind. This was July 2nd for my birthday. We went to Magic Springs here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. My family and I had such a blast here. They do have a lot of rules, I will say that, but we had so much fun. They have so many different like pools. They have a wave pool, a lazy river. They have like a kids area, tons of water slides, tons of amusement park rides. They have tons of food, funnel cakes, you name it. We had so much fun, and I could not have asked for anything more. Oliver and I enjoyed a little airplane ride. Annie Kate was very jealous. She wanted to be on here too, so we took her over to like the little train teacups, and we spun around. They were exhausted and very hot at this point, so their faces look like they're not happy, but they had a blast. And on the way home, we saw the new Buc-ee's that we're getting, so praise the Lord. We're so excited. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.